Just sharing today's incredible home run, or hose run should I say. Here we have the powerful truck mounted machine, neat and tidy van because it's clever, and let's go, shall we? My guess is we're about 50 meters of hose out. Managed to reach all the way. Cleaning a boat today. This is a beautiful boat. As you can see, we've brought the hose in, protecting the client's boat, and we come all the way through here. And again, protecting the client's boat, got towels down over their nice wood floors, and we've got this beautiful wool carpet. We'll be doing the whole boat inside and out, going down there. And if you come on upstairs where we begin our job today, here we have more wool carpet and more upholstery to clean. And finally we find the end of our hose. We use the stair tool on boats because it gives us more precision. This is our upholstery tool. Do all the upholstery with that, obviously. And allows us to get into the nooks and crannies with the stair tool as well, so we can reach into these little crevices and make sure we clean every inch of carpet. Hope you're having a great day out there. It's a great day here at Clever.